Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to sign out of Shein application on an Android device. Well, signing out of the application is part of managing your Shein account effectively. It allows you to control when and how you access the application, ensuring that you can securely log in and out as needed to manage your account, browse product, and make purchases. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open Shein application. Well, so in this main page, you can click profile icon at the bottom corner. After that, look for settings icon and then tap on it. Okay, so right now, please scroll down. And lastly, you can tap sign out option here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to sign out of Shein application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.